Try these core exercises to transform your abdominal strength and achieve a toned, sculpted midsection. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Dr. Fit Facts for more fitness tips. Let's work on those abs together and keep pushing toward your fitness goals. Hello everyone, welcome to Dr. Fit Facts. Today we are focusing on 6 core exercises for the abdominal routine. Let's start. 1. Plank to toe touch benefits. Strengthens core, shoulders, and improves flexibility. How to do. Start in a high plank, lift your hips, reach your right hand to touch your left toe, return to plank, and alternate sides. Reps. 3 sets of 10 to 12 touches per side. Results. Improves core strength and body coordination. 2. Reverse plank march benefits. Strengthens glutes, hamstrings, and core while enhancing balance. How to do. Start in a reverse plank, raise one leg at a time, keeping the core tight and hips lifted. Reps. 3 sets of 8 to 10 marches per leg. Results. Builds lower body strength and improves posture. 3. Crab knee to elbow benefits. Engages core, arms, and boosts coordination. How to do. Sit with hands and feet on the floor, lift hips, and bring opposite knee to elbow, alternating sides. Reps. 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Results. Improves core stability and mobility. 4. Oblique crunch benefits. Targets oblique muscles, enhancing core definition. How to do. Lie on your side, place one hand behind your head, and crunch upward, focusing on the obliques. Switch sides. Reps. 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps per side. Results. Defines side abs and improves waistline tone. 5. Lying leg and hip raise on floor benefits. Strengthens lower abs and hip flexors. How to do. Lie on your back, lift legs and hips off the ground, and lower them slowly without touching the floor. Reps. 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Results. Tones lower abs and builds core strength. 6. Lying leg movement benefits. Strengthens the entire core and improves flexibility. How to do. Lie on your back, lift both legs, and move them in a scissor or circular motion while keeping your lower back flat. Reps. 3 sets of 15 to 20 movements. Results. Enhances core endurance and flexibility. Thanks for watching. If you loved this core power routine, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Dr. Fit Facts. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a workout update. Let's crush those fitness goals together. See you in the next video.